Lunchtime, everyone. We eat with Onyx for together with lunch, okay, Nak? Sardinas, fish. You want fish, Anak?
No.
Why? You don't like? What's work? Mommy work on this. You don't like fish? Why you don't like fish, Nak?
Nom, nom, nom.
Don't put in your head.
Spoon.
Mm-hmm.
Spoon.
Go eat. Eat your broccoli. Look, mommy eat broccoli. Eat your broccoli. This one?
Oh, well done.
What well done? Yes, hand. Okay, good.
Oh, what it? What it?
What? Yeah, good boy.
Spoon. Spoon.
No, mommy use hand. I like your hand.
Yes.
Yeah. I like to use my hand. My hand. Yes.
And
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Use hand.
what? This.
Yeah.
What is this?
Nice. Use the hand, right?
Yes.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mmm.
Hey.
We mukbang together, yeah? Good job on it. Mommy don't need
This.
to feed you. You know how to eat already. Yes? Good job. You have surprise after we eat, okay?
Yum.
Nam? Nam? Ganon.
What's it?
Tell them, hi guys.
Yes.
Good job.
This.
What this?
Oh.
Okay, I'll make for you like this. Oh, look, mommy. Okay, you don't want? Okay. Ayaw magpatulong eh. Okay, you eat then. Oh.
Spoon.
Okay, use your spoon.
Oh. No.
What? Ah, sorry. Ay, nako, bata to. Oh.
Dito.
It's alright. Here, all the rice, oh. Hanapin niya talaga.
Spoon.
Yes.
Yum, yum. Ito.
Mhm. Bye-bye muna guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.